You know what's happening later.
This delivery driver dropped off a package
Okay.
and then came back and apparently stole a security camera.
Wait, for real? Okay. Alright. What, he's okay. What's he doing now? Oh my. Dang. That's. Ooh,
This guy
ooh.
was so excited to have his new car delivered.
Oh no. And. BAM! Oh.
The guy stole a tractor, so a police officer gave permission to a construction worker to try and stop him.
What? What? Oh my god! Oh my god! That's insane! Dude! He's gaming! Dude! He cooked! What a hero! Oh, I've seen this clip before. Yeah, and then he does.
I've never seen this type of disrespect before.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Ooh. Oh. Dang.
That was not it.
Dang.
This pro saw that this kangaroo was covered in ticks and decided to help out by eating them.
What? Oh. That's so cool.
After a few minutes, almost all the ticks were gone. This is how a chiropractor
Nice.
works on a giraffe.
The left.
That's so awesome.
Irritated.
Okay. Does it?
Great.
For some reason,
okay,
this
it doesn't
airport
pop.
uses Microsoft PowerPoint to
I
give
was
updates.
curious. What?
There's a lot of
You know what? Why not? It's. You know what? Why not?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Okay.
I currently don't care because I'm Amazon.
Oh my god!
This
What
amazing
a
driver decided
hero!
It was a good time to clean his windows.
What? I mean, okay. All right, that's one way to do it. Hey, let's go!
This horse escaped from their carriage and ran away to freedom.
Oh my god, he's going! He's going! Yes! Huzzah! Go! 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 Woo! He's going!
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you